What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chelsea J, and you guys are behind the camera today installing this wig that you see on my cousin. So if you guys are interested in how I did this application, please stay tuned. Alright you guys, to kick off this application, we're going to start with the ball cap method. And y'all, this is my first time installing a wig on anybody, so bear with me. Y'all, I was kind of struggling, but I tried my best. So we got the wig on her, and Jazz has a bigger head, so it's a little bit of a struggle. We got it up, flip the lace back, and now I'm going to apply the gel. And I'm just using the Got2b gel and the freeze spray, and I get that dried down to create a nice little sticky layer to adhere the lace to. Once I finally got that tacky enough, I attempt to melt the lace down. So I'm pushing it in, combing the hairline back, and continue to keep drying it till it is stuck on there. As stuck as I can get it, y'all. Alright, now I'm going back to add a little bit more gel just to make sure that it is on the head. Yeah, so once I got the gel on, I'm just going back, making sure it's got a good grip. I'm going to go ahead and cut that lace off, and I try to get as close to the hairline as possible. I went back with a little razor and got even closer to help me out, and then we're going to get onto these baby hairs. So I'm back with the razor, trimming down the baby hair, and y'all know baby hair is not my expertise, but Jazz like baby hair, so I tried, okay? And we tried to give her a lot of baby hair. Alright guys, and for the baby hair, I'm just using the Nairobi setting spray, and I'll pop in a picture so you guys know what I am talking about. And just a little baby hair brush comb combo, y'all know the deal. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play with these baby hair. Alright y'all, now I got the baby hair total desired look. I went ahead and added some powder into some in between the baby hair to give it a little bit more of a natural skin-like look. Of course, I forgot to put it in a part before I filmed this ending, but that is the outcome of this install. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, let me know in the comments, subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.